It's your boy Joey. Not sure how this is gonna work. I think I need a little bit longer. Or flip the camera around. I don't know, maybe it'll work. We'll see. So, updates. My nerd stuff is almost all working properly. I would show you some of it. Yeah, but this is the current setup. We are about to get the DVR and cameras working today. This computer is working. I currently broke it though. Some settings. I'll be fixing that. We got the bread maker out here. It works great. Yeah. Little sneak peeky. Turned out really yummy. We're about to use the Instapot. Oh. I did buy an adapter, but I gotta get a different cable to go from the microphone to the adapter. So hopefully eventually I'll have better audio. It works with my headset microphone, but that thing sounds like garbage and I don't want to be wearing a headset while doing this. But anyways, yeah, camper's feeling pretty good. We got running water again. We're gonna get this set up a little better. We're going to make some soup in the Instapot today. Once I figure out some features on the Instapot and the bread maker a little more, I'll do some videos on them. And yeah. Oh, we're gonna put this on today too, so hopefully I don't have propane leaking all the time. It's not a lot of propane, and it's all outside anyways because it's the valve or something there is bad. We got a Wii we're gonna hook up and see if we can get working. We got a hammock chill spot coming up. I got to adjust where the hangers are. This one is gonna be on the wall, but I got to do some stuff for it. We got this one here. Overall, feeling pretty good. My hand is a lot better. The MRI showed nothing wrong. Last week I started my first full week of work. Feels good to be back to normal. Yeah, and once I get used to working full-time again, in a couple weeks I'll start picking up extra shifts to put more money towards moving, getting a truck bed camper, and doing all those things. Yeah, but for now I guess I'm gonna log off and get this video edited, get the soup going, and do today. I don't know, it's weird working third shift, being awake during the day. I got tonight off and then I go back to work Tuesday morning, or no, that'd be tonight. I got tonight off, so I go back to work Tuesday night. That's what it is. We got a tree company coming in around noon to give us an estimate on getting rid of the big, huge tree in the driveways and a couple branches in the maple tree. So yeah, things are happening. Yeah, peace out.